Hello friends! Welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you and also show you how you can switch from business account to personal account in Instagram app. Before you start watching this video, friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also please put your likes and write your comments. So friends, let us be at the beginning. Open the Instagram app, please, on your device. Navigate to your account. Next, you'll need to, friends, on the top right, tap on the three bars to open up your settings. Now, please scroll down to the bottom of the settings and find this option. Click on it. Now scroll down a little bit. Select Toggle Account Type. And here, please select the Personal Account section. Confirm your switch. And now go back to your Instagram account. And you can see in a few seconds that your profile header has changed and your account has been switched to personal account. That's how quickly and easily you can switch from a business account to a personal Instagram account. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to please put your likes, subscribe to the channel, and write comments. See you soon, friends.